Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat. So a shortcut is just a button that compiles a lot of accounts on Snapchat so that you just have to click one button and then you can select all the accounts that you have in that shortcut on Snapchat. So to create it, first go to the chat feed on Snapchat. And once you go to the chat feed, what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way up as far as you can. So scroll up. And once you scroll up, 3 buttons should appear at the top. Unless you have shortcuts added, then those will show up too. But what you're going to want to click is the plus button all the way to the right of all the buttons. And once you click that, edit shortcuts should show up. And then you will just want to click new shortcut. But if that doesn't work, you can click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your chat feed and then select new shortcut. Once you do that, you can select as many people as you want to add to your shortcut. You can add up to 200 people. And once you do that, select the emoji to create your shortcut. Now, that is how you create a shortcut. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.